Welcome to PROTEC by Bruno, Techniseal's how-to video for the successful installation of NextGel Porcelain Paver jointing sand on a draining base with porcelain tiles. We're using traffic lights as a quick guide to doing things the right way. Install base and hardscape products according to manufacturer's recommendations. How much product do you need? A convenient 25-pound bag covers 100 square feet. For a more precise evaluation of NextGel Porcelain's coverage, please refer to the product calculator at Techniseal.com. Joint width must be between 1/16 of an inch and ½ inch. The minimum joint depth is 3/4 of an inch. Never add new polymeric sand over old sand joints, often referred to as capping. Before you begin, make sure to wear adequate protective gear and gather all necessary tools. Always read the complete instructions found on the back of the bag and in the technical data sheet available at Techniseal.com. Test NextGel Porcelain on a small area of approximately 4 square feet to make sure product and color meet your expectations. Because the product comes from a natural source, color and grain size may vary. Temperature must remain above 50 degrees Fahrenheit for the entire installation and drying period. While NextGel Porcelain can withstand an unexpected rain 60 minutes after its installation, 24 to 48 hours without rain after installation is optimal for a durable and long-lasting result. Sprinkler system must be turned off for 24 hours before and remain off for 24 hours after installation of the jointing product. Let's get going. Step 1. On a dry surface, spread product evenly on porcelain pavers. Using a street broom with semi-rigid bristles, spread sand over short distances to fill joints completely. Make sure to cover all areas. Step 2. Pass the paver roller compactor over the entire surface to fully firm up the joints. To protect the surface during compaction, use a paver roller compactor equipped with rubber-coated or nylon rollers. Proceed in a systematic and organized manner to compact all areas. Hand tamper may be needed in restricted areas where using heavier equipment may not be possible. Compaction is an essential step that brings sand and binders closer together, preventing binder washout and accelerating the drying process while generating a denser, stronger joint. Mechanical compaction is mandatory when using NextGel Porcelain Paver jointing sand. Failure to do so may compromise joint integrity and performance. Repeat steps 1 and 2 until joints are full and can no longer be compacted. When compaction is done correctly, your finger should not sink into the jointing sand. Remove all excess sand from the surface of the pavers with the broom. Use a leaf blower to level and control the height of the sand in the joint. Sand level should be 1/8 of an inch below the top of the pavers. Failure to have recessed joints could lead to premature joint degradation. Proper sand level will also channel activation water into the joints efficiently. Step 3. Activating the sand is an important installation step. A handheld or backpack sprayer is recommended for precise watering of the joints. Define a 100 square foot section, complete one section at a time before moving on to the next. Starting from the bottom of the slope to prevent runoffs, quickly spray your section to set the sand. 15 to 20 seconds should be sufficient to cover the surface uniformly. Aim to achieve complete saturation of the joint in one pass. Immediately wet the same section again where joints appear drier and need more water. For each section, spray for 15 to 20 seconds the first time, then spray again until joints can no longer absorb water. Check for water accumulation at the surface of the jointing sand as a cue to stop watering. Wait until there is no free water at the surface of the joint, and verify the depth of activation using a utility knife. If NextGel Porcelain is activated at 75% or more of its depth, stop watering. If activated at less than 75%, water for an additional 5 seconds and check again after 30 seconds. Move on to the next section, identify another 100 square foot section, and repeat the activation steps. Avoid overwatering as this will significantly lengthen the curing time and may compromise product performance. NextGel Porcelain is fast to activate. It's very easy to overwater installations with large tiles. Carefully track the watering time during the activation process. Avoid creating runoffs, as this could wash out some of the binders. Drying time is shorter in warm, dry conditions and longer in cool, damp weather. Jointing sand reaches 75% of its optimal resistance 7 days after its installation and 100% after 30 days. The use of cleaning devices such as high-pressure washer is restricted during the first 30 days. We hope this short video helps you take advantage of all NextGel Porcelain's potential. And remember, NextGel Porcelain is a faster, cleaner solution for grouting porcelain pavers, specifically designed for your porcelain projects with ultra-clean technology. For more information on NextGel Porcelain Paver Jointing Sand or other Techniseal products, we invite you to visit techniseal.com or our YouTube channel.